how to boost the chances of your success by achieving goals. First of all, you must write down your goals in clear and specific language. Then start with not only visualizing but also seeing your goals as clearly as you have written them down. For example, if your goal is to go to Italy and visit Venice, activate your imagination and see that you are in a boat in Venice. Likewise, if you want to buy a specific expensive car, for example, BMW, you should imagine or see yourself riding that car. You should figure out that the sense of believing that you have already achieved your goal is the starting looking point. Always keep the end in view when you start your work. Second, be ready to face any obstacle. You must understand that the obstacles are bound to appear for anything and everything. If all things were very easy, then nobody would need to create goals, write goals, or work hard to achieve them. Things are not easy and they will never be easy. Once you see yourself achieving your specific goal, then you sit down and work out what are the kind of obstacles you might face. There will definitely be some obstacles, some which you can visualize. And one more important thing is to remember that as you move forward towards achieving your goal, some unexpected obstacles, unexpected hindrances will also come, which you have to conquer. It is only your determination, your decision and your perseverance that will some way or the other help you to achieve the goal that you have already imagined, you have already visualized. Next point is conquer your obstacles. Create a mental picture that you are running a obstacle race. Create a mental picture that the obstacles are coming and you are conquering them, conquering all these obstacles. Imagine that there is an athlete who is running an obstacle race. While he is running fast, he is also crossing all the obstacles. Likewise, now you know the kind of obstacles that will come. You imagine crossing those, picture yourself conquering those, and then still carrying on. This is what will bring you the success. Next point, a very important point, is clear all your doubts. Many doubts can arise in your mind. It is normal. However, clear all the doubts. Clear your mind of all the dubious things which come to your mind, which often come, which are quite natural as a human being. You say to yourself, nothing doing, no such doubts, no such dubious things will ever stop me from going on to achieve my goals. I have a clear picture of achieving. I have a clear picture of reaching, which is my goal. I am determined and I have created a mental picture of ultimately conquering all the obstacles and reaching my destination. Therefore, there is no doubt that I can do it. The goal itself is a challenge, and all the obstacles that you face while pursuing the goal will also be kind of small challenges. Embrace the challenge. It is an opportunity which will definitely enhance your courage. It's an opportunity which will give you more willpower to pursue and be successful. Stay on the track. Keep on the track, following the same thing, persisting in your efforts which you have defined, and seeing yourself ultimately reaching your destination. There should be no diversion. Staying on track will definitely make it easier for you to overcome these obstacles and remove all hindrances and reach your destination. Achieve your goal. Eventually, show the world that you can do it. And I say success stands for, first is S. S is for see your goals. U is for understand the obstacles. C is create positive mental picture. Next C is clear your mind of self-doubts. E is for embrace the challenges. S is for stay on track. Stay on track under all circumstances, under all difficulties. And finally the S is show the world yet that you can do it, and you will surely do it. When the goal is a big project, define it and write it down. There have to be a strong desire for it. That is the kind of motivation which is necessary to follow the steps that have been explained above. Schedule action. Believe in yourself that you can do it, and you will do it. If it is an arduous task, if it's a big project, split it into smaller goals, split into smaller tasks, and give a time limit to those smaller tasks. You must review these every day. You must review the results of your efforts every night before you sleep. You have to review these, what you have done and what remains to be done. You have to check if you have come up to your expectation or not. This step is extremely important. Schedule it and add a timeline to all the smaller tasks, all the smaller goals that you have set in. That is what your plan is. And follow the plan religiously, meticulously. Don't lose any loose threads. And I am sure you will definitely achieve the goal. Thank you.